Hello and welcome to this class. Let's look at the concept of substitution in logarithm. Last class we look at the concept of logarithm and its several laws, right? So let's look at the concept of substitution in logarithm. So let's say I'm doing this question. It says that given that log 3 is 0.4771 and log 2 is 0.3010, find log 0.72, also find log root 6, also find log 3 root 0.3. So how do you solve this problem? Here's the task here. It's a quite simple process to solve. All right, first things first, when it comes to substitution in logarithm, the idea there is that any given question there, I'll try to break it down such that I'll be having that given values, log 3 and log 2. If I pick out log 0.72, my aim is that I'll make sure I simplify it so that I'll be having log 3 and log 2 in it. So how do you possibly do that? Let's look, before I proceed with this, if you have missed our initial class of the introduction to logarithm, I'll drop the link to our first class to logarithm in the description of this video, right? Check the description of this video, you see a link that will take you to our initial class of logarithm. So let's do number one there. Number one, say evaluate number one there. I have what there? Log what? 0.72, right? So my text line that this is decimal point, Abby. I'll try to express in terms of fraction. So it becomes log into what? 72 over 100. If you divide this thing here, you'll be having 0.72, right? So take it back to fraction. I'll be having this value. Are we there? From here now, observe that if I take a reverse from here, I should be having what? Log what? 72 minus what? Log 100 from the subtraction law, because what the division, take a reverse, right? If I have, let's say I don't have this one, I didn't have this before. If I'm seeing this one, what comes to mind? I'll have log 72 over what? 100. So I'm taking a reverse backward, right? So I'm having this. From here now, I'll try to express 72 in terms of two numbers that I know that at the end of the day, it will give me 3 and 2. So from here now, if I have log into, let's say 8 times 9, if I multiply times 9, what will give you there? So you have 72, right? So minus what? Log what? 10 is what? 100 is what? 10 to the power 2 is 100, right? Am I correct there? So as my 100. For me now, from if I from here initially I took division back to minus, Abby. If I take times to plus, because what there, this becomes log what? 8 plus log 9. True. If I take this one back, I should be having this. Are we there? So minus what there? Log what? 10 to the power 2. Are we there? From here, what do we know? We know that from here, I'm seeing log, hold on. Okay, here's the thing. For me now, look up. For me now, I can break these 2 down. I can break 9 down, right? I can also break 10 down. What do I mean? This becomes what? Here's the thing. This is log 10 to the power 2, Abby. I'll try to express 9 in terms of power 2. Express 8 in terms of power. So this becomes what the log what? 3 to the power what? 3 is what? 8. Plus what? Log what? 3 to the power what? 2 is 9. 3 to the power 3 is 27. 3 to the power 2 is 9. That's what? Log what? 10 to the power what? 2. I see that now. So what next here? I'll apply the index law that says that what? Okay. All right, for me now, I'll apply the index law that says that this 3 will come from Abby, these 2 will come to front Abby, this 2 will come here Abby. So let's see what we get. All right, for me now, I will have this 3 come here Abby. Now becomes 3 log what? Log 2. Are we there? Plus what's happened here? 2 log what? Log 3, right? This becomes what there? Sorry. Plus what? This is my minus Abby. Minus what? 2 log what? 10, Abi? But hold on, oh, hold on. I'm having log 10, Abi. What's the base for this thing? Is 10. Because if I'm given a base, my thing is 10, Abi. So if I have log 10 base 10, that's what? 1. Right? Log A base A, 1. Those what I'm saying from our initial classes, right? So try to watch our initial class to understand this concept here. So if I have log 10 base 10, what's the answer there? 1, Abi. So I'll have what? 3 log what? 2 plus what? 2 log 3 minus what? 2 into what? 1. Right? Log 10 base 10 is 1. From here, all I have from here, because what there? 3 log what? Log 2 plus what? 2 log 3 minus what? Minus 2. Right? So, by the way, they gave us the value for log 2 as this, log 3 as this. Just put them there and get the answer. This becomes what? 3, Abi, into what's log 2? Check there. Is 0. What? 3010. That's log 2 plus 2 into what's log 3 there? Is 0. What? 4771, Abi. Minus what? No, minus 2. Minus 2. So multiply 3 by this. What do I have there? Multiply 3 by 0.3010. Is 0. There? 93. Is that all? Come in 3 times 0.3010. All right, yeah. 0.903 is 903. 903, right? So plus multiply 2 by this. 2 times 0.4771. I have what? 0.9542, right? Next up what? Minus 2. Now, simplify this. What I have is 0. This value here is 0.903 plus this man here is 0.903 plus 0.9542 minus what? 2. I have what? Minus 0.1428 as my answer. So my answer here becomes minus 0.142 after putting the value of log 3 and log 2 into this expression. So I will do 1, which I've done. You do B for me. I'll do C. Let's do C. Do B for me and put your answer in the comment section. Right? Do C. Do B for me. So if you are correct, I'll tell you are correct. If you are then we'll look at the correction together. So let's do number 3. For C, I have what? Log cube root of what? 0.3. So the same concept applies here. I'll try to break them down in a way such that I'll be having log 2 and log 3. But hold on, look up. From here, if I have, look up from indices, if I have the cube root of A, this is as what? A raised by what? 1 over 3. These indices. Similarly, I'll have what? Log into what? 0.3 first, Abi, all to power what? 1 over 3. I apply this concept. Right? So what the next task here? When we have decimal here, we do it what? Fraction, Abi. Let's say this was a fraction here. I'll have log into what? 3 over 10 all to power what? 1 over 3. Are we there? Alright. What are the next task here? Next time is that, although that this is a problem under index law of logarithm, that is this 3 here, this 1 over 3 will come here first, Abi. So having what? Log what? Log what there? Sorry, 1 over 3 first, Abi. Log what? 3 over what? 10, Abi. So I have this. Basically, look up. If I have log 3 over 10, what does it mean? So this becomes what? 1 over 3. Observe. Log what? Log what? 3 minus what? Log what? 10. True? If I take this one back to our normal concept. Let's say I don't have this one, I don't have this. Express this one, I should be having this one. So the 1 over 3 is here, open a bracket, log 3 minus what? Log 10, right? So what do we get here? So I'll be having, from here, I have 1 over 3 into what? Log 3 is known, Abi, minus, this is log 10 to what? Base what? Base 10. Abi, log 10 base 10. All I have there, 1. So it becomes 1 as my answer. This is now equal to half, observe, half, sorry, 1 over 3, Abi, into what's log 3 there is 0.4771 minus what? Minus 1, right? What do I have as my answer? Let me do them here. Let me put an answer up here. All right, from here I'll have 1. This is not equal to 1 over 3, right? Into what do I have here? Or minus 0.
Minus 1. 0.4771
minus 1. What's the answer?
Minus.
Exactly. Minus 0. What? 5229, right? Divide this answer by just 3. Divide minus 0.5229 by 3.
Minus 0.
Point what? 1743. This becomes my answer to this particular question. So this is how to solve problem under substitution in logarithm. Do well to like the video, share to your friends and classmates so they can learn too. Also do well to join my WhatsApp group. I have to take the WhatsApp group. Check the description of this video. I'll drop a link to the WhatsApp group there. So in the WhatsApp group there, I'll drop in our YouTube videos there. So you'll be the first person to be notified in the group before I drop any video on my YouTube channel. Also, you can also, the group is meant for us to share ideas from different countries, right? So do well to join the group. Also, if you're interested in learning more of these tutorial courses here, visit my website at www.ganiyuabubakar.com/courses. There you see my website there, or you can get a full lifetime access to this tutorial video, or perhaps you can reach me out through my WhatsApp number. I'll send the link to the website. So see you in the next class.